Is that helping?
No.
No. Damn.
Okay.
All right, so today we have Adrian.
Oh.
How much is that worth to you?
Whew.
Put a price on it.
Can't put a price on
Can't
it.
put a price on that.
No, sir. No, sir.
New prices are gonna be, can't put a price on that. Just relax. Just relax. Yeah, you pretty tight up in here. So how long you had the issue for? To where you couldn't turn?
Too long.
How long have you known about us?
I've been following you for a minute, but I was scared to do anything because I was like, I could just take the pills.
Take the pills.
So much.
You ready to rebook?
Yes, get me in. Put me down.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
Is that helping?
No.
No. Damn.
Okay.
All right, so today we have Adrian. Adrian is getting adjusted. She hasn't been adjusted in a while. She went to another chiropractor. She doesn't remember their name. Hopefully after this, she'll remember mine. Were you nervous the last time you got adjusted?
Not really.
Not really? Why this time then?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I think last time because it was under a different, I was like, it was, I don't know, it was a different situation, I guess.
What was the situation?
Well, it was just after I had the accident. So I was like, anything can happen,
Right.
So I didn't know what to, so.
Right.
And he really didn't explain anything. So it was just like, he just went in and just said, I was like, what are you doing?
That's how he snuck it in on you.
And yes, exactly. So
It's too late for that, huh?
pretty much so.
All right, cool. All right, so Adrian, what are the issues that you came in with?
My lower back, up in here, my neck area. Mm-hmm. So it's like, I don't know, it's always tight here. So.
Any headaches?
Yes.
Yes. Where the headaches located at?
Here, and it's like around this area. It goes from here at the back of my neck, like goes around here.
How often do you get them?
Ooh. More often than I don't have them. Let's try that.
Do you have one right now?
I do.
All right, let's set the timer. You have a headache right now. Mm-hmm. All right, guys, we're gonna start the timer. And we're gonna see what happens. Let's just relax on me. Oh my God, you are tight on this left side. Jeez, this the side? Mm-hmm. Man, what do you do at work? Jesus, you be stressing?
No, I just fingerprint people.
Just fingerprint people. All right, let's get this here. There we go. All right, lean your head into my hand. Just relax on me. Just relax. Just relax.
Oh, okay. 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 All right.
All right.
Ooh.
Don't fall. I got you. Let your head drop. Let your head drop into my hand.
Ooh. I can breathe. Wow. Okay.
You have the headache still?
Ooh. Ooh.
You have that headache?
A little bit still, but.
A little bit still?
Yes.
All right, so we're still at 122. Still got the headache. Just let your arms drop. At any point you don't feel a headache, let me know. Or just relax for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something called flexion distraction. We're gonna have this table move up and down. Tender right here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna go with you on your stomach. Let your arms drop from me to the ground. Yeah. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Yeah, you pretty tight up in here. go.
My headache gone.
Headache gone?
Oh my.
All right. We are at 3 minutes. Headache gone in 3 minutes.
Wait. I'm having a headache.
Hold on, you don't got a headache no more? No. And how much pills do you take?
Should I say naproxen?
Naproxen?
Yes.
What else?
And BC powder?
BC powder? Do they work that fast?
No.
So I beat naproxen, BC powder. I beat Big Pharma.
Oh my gosh. Wait a minute.
So how long you had that issue for? To where you couldn't turn?
Too long.
How long have you known about us?
I've been following you for a minute, but I was scared to do anything because I was like, I could just take the pills.
Take the pills.
Had I known this, I'd probably save me more money than taking all the pills.
So paying me money saves you money. And people say I charge too much, but paying me.
Yes, and that's
it's like paying yourself.
In that short amount of time, like really, I can look at you like this right here.
And you couldn't do that.
No, because then it'd be like I have pain when I'm like turn behind me. Mm-hmm. But now I can't even feel the thing.
Wow.
Like for real, like I'm like looking at you like.
Let's get you on your back.
Wow. Okay. I am ashamed.
You're ashamed?
I am.
And you a rattler. It's a rattler. She went to fam like me. You know, all rattlers not created equal. It take a while to get some sense and to come in, you know. It's all good though. Slide down. I would expect that from somebody who wanted to cook me. You know. Anybody who wanted to cook me. It don't matter. You could be mad. My dad wanted to cook me. Slide down. And my brother.
Oh my.
They both made mistakes in life. Oh. So did you. But now you fixed it.
You know that.
Just relax. There we go.
Oh my. Ooh. 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 This won't help your breathing because
Yes. So you couldn't breathe before? You had congestion?
I did, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. Whew. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay.
So you've been adjusted before, right?
Yes.
Was it like this?
No.
Everybody not created equal. I'll be trying to tell them. Be trying to tell them.
Okay.
On your side, face me.
This one. Okay.
All right, cool. Let's have you straighten this leg out.
Okay.
All right, just relax on me. Just relax. Oh man, already moving a little bit. Already moving. Just relax. Turn your head that way from me. There we go. Just relax.
Ooh.
On you.
Wow.
There we go. Okay. All right, let's have you lay on your back.
Oh. Oh, man. Okay.
All right. Just relax on me one more time. There we go.
Okay. Whew. Wow.
Come on up. Just relax. We're gonna do your shoulder now. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. I got you. I got you. Good. All right, man. So come on up. Stand up.
Ooh.
How do you feel?
Ooh. Oh, pressure. No headache.
No
That's
headache.
the most. Ooh. It's not tender like it used. Okay. I can move.
How much is that worth to you?
Whew.
Put a price on it.
You can't put a price on
Can't
it.
put a price on that.
No, sir. No, sir.
New prices. New prices are gonna be. Can't put a price on that.
Listen. The pills, all that.
Done.
Get it done. One and done there, like that part. Wow. See, I thought I was gonna have to take something after this. Because last time, no.
You
But the
did.
last person.
You disrespectful.
No, not you. The last one. I had to double up for real.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Come on, man. Everybody ain't the same now. You know that. Some people supposed to be plumbers and electricians. Ain't nothing wrong with that. They just so happen to go to chiropractic school, just like me, and that's why they got $20 places and stuff like that. No disrespect. Just playing. So.
Ooh, that's that rat shade right there.
Yeah.
That's what it look like. But for real, like, I don't even feel like I have to take anything.
And how long you been on medication?
On and off.
Yeah. Give me
Like 2 years, for real.
2 years medication.
Medication.
2 years of medication, and you've never felt like this.
Like, for real.
With medication.
With medication. Really, I'm not even playing. Like, for real. I don't.
Well, there you have it, guys. 2 years of medication, we can save you some money. That's why Big Pharma and all these other companies, these outlets, every time something goes wrong, you will see chiropractic bad news spread to create this fear. Because that's what she had. She had the fear of getting adjusted, but she didn't have the fear of the medication. She didn't have the fear of the cost of medication, the fear of the side effects of medication, but she had the fear of chiropractic. But you see what happened instantly once you let that fear go and you come and see what's really going on.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much.
You ready to rebook?
Yes, get me in. Put me down.